Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin mobile first. Set the viewport meta and write base styles for the smallest screens. Use fluid units like %, rem, and VW so elements scale naturally. Create a simple responsive grid using Flexbox or CSS grid with fractional tracks. This gives flow without fixed breakpoints. Once done, normalize typography and spacing with root font size control so scaling is predictable. Make sure to avoid fixed pixel widths for containers and images at this stage to keep layout flexible. You now convert UI pieces into flexible components. Set max width and min width and let Flex or Grid determine growth and shrink. Use Grid autofill or autofit with min-max to create adaptive columns that change count automatically. For images, implement src set and sizes plus CSS max width, 100% to avoid overflow. Once components adapt, layer responsive utilities, responsive padding, clamp for fluid typography, and CSS variables for theme scale, so you can tweak ratios without. You finish by adding breakpoints sparingly, only where content needs a rearrangement, using min-width queries for mobile-first flow. Test on real devices and emulators, checking touch interactions, DPR, and narrow-to-wide transitions. Once done, optimize performance. Compress CSS, reduce reflows, and lazy load large assets. If things go wrong, inspect computed styles and look for fixed widths, overflow, or conflicting specificity. Then adjust min/max constraints or remove rigid rules. Make sure to iterate until interactions feel natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.